Welcome to Orage Technologies. Today, we've got a topic that's like a secret weapon for online success: 6 must-have tips for writing landing page copy that converts. If you've ever wondered how to turn your website visitors into customers, stick around because we've got some game-changing techniques for you. Use customer testimonials. Alright, let's kick things off with a powerful technique: customer testimonials. Your customers can be your best conversion writers. Showcasing real experiences builds trust. Take a look at HighriseHQ and Zoosk's landing pages. They make testimonials a central part of their copy, and it works. 1. Emphasize benefits, not just products. Next up, emphasize benefits over features. Customers don't just want a product, they want the benefits it brings. Unbounce, getacopywriter.com, and Jaybird are nailing it by highlighting how their products make a difference. Remember, benefits speak louder than solutions. Spend time writing a killer headline. Now, here's a harsh truth: people don't read everything, but they do pay attention to headlines. Make yours big, clear, and compelling. Check out how companies like Optimizely and Get Response do it. Focus on those crucial first words to grab attention and keep it. Use numbers and get specific. Specifics build credibility. Instead of vague claims, provide real numbers. TeamGantt does this perfectly on their landing page. Specifics make your benefits tangible and believable. Ask for readers to take action. Never underestimate the power of a strong call to action, CTA. Your whole page should lead to this moment. Make your CTA buttons compelling and crystal clear. Small changes in wording can make a huge difference in conversion rates. A/B test your copy. Last but not least, don't just write and hope for the best. Test your copy. Use tools like HubSpot's free landing page builder to A/B test different variations. Test headlines, subheadlines, CTA copy, and even tiny details. It's an ongoing process to find what resonates best with your audience. Orage Technologies is one of the leading digital marketing agency which can help you in building creative landing pages that converts clicks into customers. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.